Well, we have a little time. Let's make the most of it. Now, let us see whether 3 years of absence have entirely taken away my power to surprise you. Splendid. Would you like to sit down?
Come in. Take my chair.
Certainly. Intense, tranquil enjoyment.
Exactly.
Would you have any objection to drawing the blinds casually, as if you were alone in this room?
Absolutely. One may produce a startling, though possibly a meretricious effect. Excellent. Give me the most abstruse cryptogram, the most intricate analysis, and I'm in my proper atmosphere. Splendid. Do you mind if I smoke a cigarette in your consulting room? You will excuse me, but it is my business. Would you care to try it? Yes. At the commencement of a case, it is always something to know that a client is in close contact with someone who, for good or evil, has an exceptional nature. The game is afoot. It is a considerable challenge. Dangerous part of my trade. Absolutely. This is really most gratifying. Well, I have certain advantages. I never guessed. There is more splendor yet to come. Indeed. To the man who loves art for its own sake, it is frequently in its least important and lowliest manifestations that the keenest pleasure is to be derived. What a lovely thing. Roses. There is nothing in which deduction is so necessary as in religion. Prepare to meet thy God. Yes. No. Dear me. I trust that age has not with no accustomed stale by infinite variety. For I am the only one in the world. This is a very pretty demonstration.
Aku sayang padamu.
Desire.
Deception upon deception.
Aku sayang padamu.
These are very deep waters.
Desire.
Now I begin to understand the delicacy of the matter.
What is right and what is wrong?
You have not used the logical principles which I constantly expound.
Desire.
But once you have eliminated the impossible, whatever remains, however improbable, must be the truth. Violence does it truth. Recoil upon the violent. And the schemer falls into the pit, which he digs for another. Quite so. You know, I'm afraid that in the pleasure of this conversation, I am neglecting business of importance, which awaits me elsewhere. For the cause is excellent. You have something more interesting, I fancy. I believe you have in your hand a relic, which is not only of great intrinsic value, but also of great importance as a historical curiosity. I must ask you, therefore, to be kind enough to place it in my hands. Your conversation really is most entertaining. It was absolutely delicious. We must behave ourselves. It is just like the old days. I am lost without my Boswell. You may remove the body.